What's up, guys? How's it going? Well, it's the Friday before Christmas Eve, and almost dropped that. And I'm actually gonna stand under my overhang to film this part because it's raining right now. But I wanted to show one of the things we're gonna be doing to the truck. Not today because it's raining, obviously, but I got these 8-pod rock lights that'll be going on the 6-7 at some point. And it kind of just got me thinking, I haven't even really started this thing a little bit, hence the snow on it, because I don't want to drive in the salt. So I might as well just give a little cold start for the video. So I don't even know what we're gonna do today because it's raining out. I wanted to take my side-by-side out, but I'm not sure. Maybe we'll call Tyler and see what he's up to. I know.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hey, brother.
What are you doing?
I'm on 84.
Why?
Headed for Middletown.
Wait, for what?
I had to get a couple things.
Oh, alright.
Yeah, I'm headed back.
I don't know, so what are you thinking about for later? Probably not, right, with the rain and everything? Which sucks.
It's not supposed to rain anymore. It's just gonna get cold.
I saw that. Those temperatures are really gonna drop. I think they said like 7 degrees or something by like 9 o'clock at night or something.
I mean, we can walk around in the trails and always cruise to the garage. I mean,
Alright, yeah, maybe we'll figure something out. So,
alrighty.
alright, brother.
Alrighty.
I'll see you later.
Alright, see you.
Bye. So that might be a possibility. I don't know though, because like I said, I hate salt. And it's covered on the roads. That's why this is sitting here. That's why the Audi's inside. That's why the quad is, the dirt bike, the pit bike, the side-by-side, everything. Because I don't want to rot my stuff out because New York State likes to sling it more than, you know, people sling dope on the street. Turn these bad boys on right here, right there. So yeah, my girlfriend actually got these for me for my birthday. I want to put them on. There's 8 of them, not too sure the sequence of the way I'm going to put them on or where I'm going to put them. I mean, obviously in the wheel wells, but the other ones I'm not too sure of. I also want to do the Starlight headliner in this truck like I did with my other truck. So that'll be another thing that I'd like to do to this along with these. But I'd have to wait till spring or until nicer weather comes because I'm not laying out here and doing these right now in this. I'm waiting on a few more pieces too for the camera. So like I ordered a head mount, chest mount, wrist, you know, all those. So until then I can't really get many action shots of stuff, but I'm gonna do my best in the meantime to get some. The temps up around here in New York are supposed to drop down actually by 1 degree come like Jesus. As I was saying, the temperature is supposed to drop literally to 1 degree come like midnight tonight. So I don't know what's gonna go on, but we'll try to figure something out. But you know what? I've been meaning to use these things again, so maybe maybe I'll get one of these going and just go rip that outside. Eeny, meeny, miny, broken. Oh, Mo, this one, I guess. This one can be a little annoying because I've pulled this thing till I got blisters on my fingers because it's nitro powered. But I got different glow plugs for it. It's actually empty. I gotta go about this differently. I also feel like I'm crouching down like Steve Irwin, like, what we got here is a wild, right out in the wild right here. We got a wild remote control car, and I'm really close to it right now. I think this might be a little bit better of an angle though. Thing. Fill up a little bit. I don't want to run it forever. So these are annoying because they're a pull start. I can get the other thing so I don't have to pull it, but I haven't gotten it. So you gotta hold your finger over the end of this, prime it a few times. You gotta hold it on here for a little while so it heats it up. Then you just keep pulling it until you get tired of pulling it or it starts. Almost. And then this is what it does to me. And then it starts, and then it won't start, and then it just stresses me out. Every time I go to grab the controller, it shuts off. See what I mean? I didn't even touch it. It's like it knows. I can't make this up. I have to give up. What's going on now? Oh, it's under there. We will revisit this another time because I'm not doing anything with it right now. It's a little newt. Look at it. Newt. Grab the newt.
I'm not grabbing the newt. No.
Grab the newt.
No.
Come here, newt. I think
Oh
these are...
no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Get it.
Come here, newt.
Cup it.
Actually, I think these are the ones that their tails fall off. Ah, it's gone. The cats really need a bath. Maybe I'll go give the cats a bath. Is it bath time? Huh? She's not gonna like this, is she?
Okay. All right, girl. I know.
Come on. Watch out. She's gonna scratch.
All right, lift up the belly.
Embrace.
Uh-oh, I'm scared.
Watch out. It's like a... I think he farted. He stinks. So this stuff right here, it's super stinky. Very stinky. This is not a paid promotion. Actually, I'm gonna block the logo, but you can kind of get a little quick. Yeah, there it is. But honestly, for anyone in like the Northeast or anywhere where you get a lot of salt, this stuff is amazing. I'm just putting it on here just in case we take it out later. It just it helps with rust prevention, and if there is rust anywhere, it'll seal it so it doesn't get worse. This is what I mean when I say this channel is like ADHD, because like you saw us bathing the cat, and then we went outside to the truck, and then we were just trying to get a newt, and we also tried to start an RC car, and now we're gonna do something with the side-by-side. Right now I'm in the side-by-side. I just went outside and the driveway's already iced. The temperature already dropped drastically. It's like in between raining and snowing, so we might have to hold off on the side-by-side for this vlog, but we'll definitely have it in the next one. So with that being said, thanks for watching and look for the next one. I'll be posting on my Instagram I'll try to post it on Facebook, but Facebook blocked my account for 3 days because I posted a link to my YouTube, and apparently that's promoting and advertising. So I don't know if I'll be posting on there. I don't know if I can, but I'll be posting them on my Snapchat and my Instagram, and also just turn on notifications or just check into the channel here and there, and you'll be able to see if I post, what I post. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.